Three.
Giraffes. Very good. Okay, now let's talk about clothes. Okay, Sunny, what's this?
T-shirt.
T-shirt. This one?
Coat.
Coat. How about this one? What's this?
Three.
Dress. How about this one?
Skirt.
Skirt. How about this one?
Hat.
Hat. And
Sweater.
sweater.
Blanket.
Okay, this one rain.
Raincoat.
Raincoat.
Boot.
Boots. And
Socks.
socks. Very good. Now let's talk about colors. What color is it?
Big.
Pink. What color is it?
Yellow.
Oh, your favorite color. Okay, what color is it?
Orange.
Orange. How about this one?
Black.
This one? Green.
Green.
Okay, this one?
Black.
Good job. Okay, now let's talk about shape. Okay, Sunny, what shape is this?
Circle.
Circle. What shape is this?
Triangle.
Triangle. How about this one?
Oval.
Oval. How about this one?
Rectangle.
Okay, this one?
Square.
Square. Now let's talk about the colors. What color is it?
Yellow.
Yellow. How about this one?
Red.
Red. This one?
Green.
Green. What color is this?
Orange.
How about this one? What color is it?
Blue.
Blue. Wow, very good. Now let's talk about the things that we use in a birthday party. Okay? What's this?
Party hat.
Party hat. What's this? Cake. And what's this? Gift.
Pink.
Okay, how about this one?
Balloon.
Balloons and
Candle.
candles. Okay, now Sunny, I'll ask you. Okay, how about the cake, Sunny? Is it triangle, the shape? Triangle or circle?
Blue.
Circle.
Circle.
Okay, how about this one? The party hat. What's
Triangle.
triangle? Very good. Okay, so now let's talk about numbers. Okay, Sunny, number
8.
8, number
2.
2, number
3.
3, and number
10.
10. Now let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow, very good. How many cakes do you see?
3.
3
Cut.
cakes. How many candles do you see? How many candles? 1, 2,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
how many candles?
9.
9 candles. How about the gifts? How many gifts do you see?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How many gifts?
5
5 gifts. How about the balloons? How many balloons?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How many balloons?
6 balloons.
Okay. Okay, last one. How many party hats?
1, 2, 3, 4,